It was 1 year ago a jury convicted the 5-year-old's father of murder.
Yeah, and remember, during all this time, Joe Clyde's body has never been found, and now Joseph Daniels is pushing for a new trial.
Some of these witnesses may testify to something differently, and I'm sure that's what the defense is hoping.
So what exactly is the defense hoping, and what is the defense planning? Key questions here. Hi, everybody. I'm Rory Johnston.
And I'm Vicki Yates. Right now, Joseph Daniels is serving a life sentence in prison, but he wants out.
News Channel 5's Nick Barris now with exclusive details on why Daniels and his attorney think that conviction should be thrown out.
Justice came for Joe Clyde Daniels 1 year ago when a jury delivered a verdict against his father.
As to the charge of first-degree murder and the perpetration of a felony crime, how does the jury find?
7 women and 5 men convicted Joseph Daniels.
Guilty, sir.
He is now serving 51 years in prison and will likely die behind bars. But now, some 12 months later, Daniels is fighting to have his conviction vacated, saying there was insufficient evidence. It is a case that ultimately will likely end up here at the State Court of Appeals. But first, Daniels will ask the judge in Dickson County for a new trial. News Channel 5 has learned he and his attorney will address several issues.
We had a lot of reversible errors in the trial, and so he's advised he wants to pursue an appeal.
So what reversible errors? First, the defense says the judge never should have allowed the jury to hear Daniels' confession.
Why did I kill my son? My son.
They'll argue it was coerced. Daniels had recanted and that there was no evidence to support the confession, which leads to the second issue. Prosecutors had no blood, DNA, or any physical evidence to even prove that Joe Clyde was dead after he disappeared from his home in Dickson County in 2018. The prosecution did, however, call the boy's older brother, who testified he witnessed Joseph beat his brother and carry him away.
The defendant started walking down the driveway?
Yes.
What had he done with Joe Clyde?
He had him in his arms.
During the motion for new trial, the defense is expected to call and again question the brother and other witnesses.
Some of these witnesses may testify to something differently, and I'm sure that's what the defense is hoping.
The prosecution, of course, will say that Daniels was rightfully convicted, and it is unlikely that the judge will give him a new trial. But then that challenge will move here to the State Court of Appeals. In downtown Nashville, Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
Joe Clyde's mother, Crystal, agreed to a plea deal earlier this year to serve 15 years for aggravated child abuse. She cannot appeal.